Why do 80% of travelers overspend on flights? Let's unlock the secrets to saving big on your next trip. First up, flexibility is your best friend. Avoid booking flights on weekends. Aim for midweek departures. Studies show that Tuesdays and Wednesdays often have the lowest fares. Next, set up price alerts. Websites like Google Flights and Skyscanner let you track fares and notify you when prices drop. Think of it as your personal travel watchdog. Also, don't dismiss budget airlines. They might not have all the frills, but they'll get you from A to B without emptying your wallet. Just watch out for those sneaky extra fees. Speaking of fees, always read the fine print. Baggage fees, seat selection charges, they add up quickly. Make sure you know what you're signing up for before you hit book. Another pro tip: book in incognito mode. Some sites increase prices based on your search history. Sneaky, right, dear? Browsing in private mode can help you avoid this. Lastly, consider alternative airports. Sometimes flying into a nearby city and taking a train or bus can save you big bucks, so there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be soaring high on savings. Happy travels.